Very active. Ladies and gentlemen, Senator Tina Muñabarn.
Uncle Kin. Ladies and gentlemen, please give Uncle Kin Paris a round of applause. And I may be getting old and I may be over half a century, but Uncle Kin, I'm still playing basketball. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be representing Guam in the Guam Women's Masters Basketball Association to the Gold Coast. We did win the gold last year, and like that, winning the gold, we will take the gold like you are wearing, and we will go to victory. Do you agree with me? Yeah. Woo! First of all, I want to thank the Flo and Jason Maravilla for giving us the opportunity, and to all the wonderful faces here this evening. Undunklan Asidus Masi, Maraming Salamat po for giving us the opportunity to speak. Ladies and gentlemen, when I heard Uncle Kin speak, and when I heard Uncle Carl speak, I said, you know what? True heart of the people. You know what? Everybody talks about what they want to do or can do. But I will tell you, as one who experienced that with Carl Gutierrez, with Cherry Gutierrez, and now going to be with Uncle Gary Gumatauto, I want to share with you. When I saw Carl Gutierrez one day take the backhoe or the drilling machine from the T&D guys from Guam Power Authority after a typhoon, and he said to the guys, Auntie Jerry made food, you guys are going to eat and take a break. And they said, okay, boss, we'll be down and we're going to eat. And guess what? He went up to the machine and started to drill, and I was freaking out. I said, oh my God, the governor's something's gonna happen, he's gonna hurt himself. And the big guys from TND at GPA said, ma'am, don't worry. You know that governor of ours? He used to own a construction company, he knows what he's doing. And ladies and gentlemen, when he talks about the stories about bringing power in, I wanna know that the families here, the DeSoto families in Jigo, all those families who live inside the skirts where it's hard to get to, I want you to know that Carl Gutierrez is a man true to his word, walking through with all the employees and the stakeholders within the agencies, and he said, you know what? I don't need the directors to do it. Let me go out with the team and work with them. And each house, to rebuild each house after typhoon, after typhoon, after typhoon. And he told all the directors and the deputy directors, ladies and gentlemen, you take your staff and you tell them to go home and take care of their families. And then you call your spouse and tell them and say, honey, I have to continue to help the governor, help the people of Guam. So is everything okay? And if it's not okay, go home and take care of that and then come on back. And ladies and gentlemen, with Jerry Gutierrez and the team, they did that and they never stopped. And that's where I learned how to take care of the people of Guam. And ladies and gentlemen, as being oversight of municipal planning affairs, the mayors, they continue to need the resources. I'm there for them. When it comes to tourism, which is our #1 economic driver, we have given tourism this year $34 million so they can bring more people to visit us and showcase the beauty that we have. And then when it comes to development, ladies and gentlemen, and housing, and better the quality of life for our families to have brand new houses, we will continue to do that because it is this governor that will do it with Uncle Gary. So let's hear it for Gutierrez Gumatauto. Viva! Si Zeus Maasi and Dokun na si Zeus Maasi na maraming salamat po.
Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, there's a young lady in the audience that I would like all of you to recognize. The Democratic Party has always been a party of inclusion.